Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I am going to show you how to clear app data in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to clear app data in your phone. Now for the first method, just open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and look for apps option. Then just tap on apps and then choose the app that you want to clear your data. If you want to clear this app data, just tap here, then scroll down a bit, then go to storage. And at the bottom you can see clear data option. From here you can clear your app data. Now for the second method, just go to app screen. Now if you want to clear this app data, just touch and hold it, then tap on this eye icon, then scroll down again, then go to storage, then tap on clear data, then tap on delete to confirm it, and it's done. You can see your app data has been deleted successfully. You can also clear your app cache from here. And that is how you can clear app data in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.